Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Morton. I'm back again with another video. So it is currently Sunday, June 30th, end of June, end of quarter two. So that means we're halfway through the year. So it's gonna be 4:12 p.m. Just so y'all, Sunday, June 30th. So today I'm just gonna give you guys a chart breakdown of the markets I'm looking at this week. Honestly, really good markets this week. Great potential overall, and yeah, let's get straight into it. I'll show you guys. So Euro USD is my top pair so far because you can see on the weekly it's bearish. We're still in this area. Daily bearish as well, and then 4 hours bearish as well, right? So what am I waiting for? Price to pull back to this area of interest, retest it, continue dropping. You can see on the 4 hour, it's already retesting the 50 EMA, so it just continue dropping. And then yeah, both EMAs are above. So really good market, really simple. It's gonna take 2 trades. So market's probably gonna open like this, do something like this, and then Tuesday is when we're gonna see the big push down. Or it could just wick in and then continue dropping. So keep watching this market. NZD USD. So this is a USD week as well. Like, let me show y'all. There's a lot of news. Calendar, cool. So it's also NFP week, so I'm gonna be careful with the trades that I take. Also, I will be getting another funny challenges on this trade. You know, it's July now, so I'm ready for a fun challenge. But yeah, let's get straight into the second one, right? NZD USD. So it's bearish on all time frames, right? You can see it right there. So cool. Price pull back today. It's at this daily area of interest. So it's gonna do. I just need the rejection from this. Rejection from here. It's already rejecting the 50 MA on there. And yeah, on the 4 hour, it's also probably gonna reject both EMAs right here again if a candle opens up. Probably gonna reject both EMAs and then continue dropping. So we caught this trade last week, and we're gonna catch this one again this week. So overall, really great market, and yeah, it's almost at a round psychological level at 61,000, but it's all the way up here, and I just don't feel like putting it in. But it's almost at a round psychological level, so I really like this trade overall. Cool. AUD CAD, sorry. Wait. NZD, yeah, okay. AUD CAD. So literally the same thing as before. Price is it's bullish on all time frames. It's at the top of the weekly. Weekly did this. So cool. Daily, it's above area of interest again. So I'm just waiting for the pullback, which on the 4 hour looks at it. It's already pulling back. So I just needed to pull back, retest it, retest the area of interest, retest the 50 EMA, and then continue to the upside. And both EMAs are below it. So really good trade. I'm confident in this trade. So we'll let it play out. AUD USD, one of my favorite pairs. So it's at the top, literally the same thing as AUD USD at the top. We're just gonna wait for the pullback to the area of interest, retest it, and continue upward. As you can tell, it's rejecting the 50 EMA on a daily right here. See, perfect rejection, like literally quick down, rejected it, and it's continue upward. And both EMAs are below. So really good trade. I'm excited for this, and keep watching it. USD CAD. Now this trade right here, look at it. Look at it. We had like 2 area of interest here and it broke below, but it's beautiful though because on a weekly it's bullish. But if this week price does exactly what I wanted to do, which price is gonna do whatever it wants, but if I'm correct, price is gonna make this candle right here, making a morning star pattern, bro. Whoa, so you wanna buy? But anyways, on the daily it's still bullish as well. So it's at the area of interest. Obviously it made a morning star right here. So what is it gonna do? Come back and retest it and then continue upward. It already did retest it and then had to move upward, but as you can tell, it pulled back. So that's good because on the 4 hour, look, if it opens up, it's gonna come wick in here. It's gonna wick in here and then continue upward, make a morning star on the 4 hour. Wait for that little pullback and then enter the trade. But yeah, I'm just waiting for the retest of the area of interest and then continue upward. That's literally it. GBP, NZD. This one, honestly, I'm just watching it. I'm not sure if I would take a trade on this. It's at the area of interest that I wanted to round psychological level as well. But it's rejecting the 50 EMA on the daily. Like, it's above it. It's rejecting it down. So, and the weekly EMA, they're both below it. So it could go to the upside. I don't really like how this is doing it. But I just need the candle to close above. And then I'll be ready to take this trade. It is rejecting the 4 hour on the 50 EMA. Look at it right here. So good rejection overall. But yeah, round psychological level. So I'm waiting for this. EOGP, honestly, I'm watching this one. It's bearish on a weekly, so price is trying to pull back to his area of interest and retesting and continue selling, but the daily and the 4 hour are bullish, so I have to catch the buys upward, which is good because there's a daily area of interest right here, retest it and then continue upward, so we could catch the potential buys all the way to weekly area of interest, and then set up for next week, which will be rejecting the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA. So yeah, this is more of a move for next week, but we can catch it. I'm gonna be watching it, not really too focused on it, but yeah. And then GP USD, look at it, weekly, bro. This is the move for the weekly next week again. So if price does whatever it wants to do this week, we could get a potential Morningstar pattern for next week, which would be good, because then we'll have like a slight retracement to like about right here, and then continue upwards. But it's bearish overall. Weekly is bullish, but daily and 4 hour bearish. So what are we gonna do? We're at the area of interest, so we're just gonna wait for this rejection and move it up here, which is good, because then now if it breaks above here, the daily is bullish, the 4 hour is gonna be bullish. 3 times in the sink, literally just fine. Let me see. 1, 2. So price, when it breaks above, most likely gonna pull back to this area right here. Yeah, probably gonna pull back to this area right here, retest, and then continue upward, and then we can just catch back. But overall, this is mostly a weekly move for next week, so just keeping a watch on this. But yeah, those are the markets that I'm looking at this week. Like I told you in a previous video, I literally have my current goal, which is 10% right here on the funded account. I have my discipline, greed, and then I have my trading plan right here. Literally, I'm risking 1% on every single trade. I'm getting a 100K account. The max drawdown is $8,000. 8%, which means I get 8 tries before I blow the funded account. If I end up blowing the funded account, cool, that's fine. I already accept the risk. But I'm risking 1% on every single trade. I don't care. Even if I'm gonna win, even if I'm gonna lose, I'm risking 1% on every single trade. And as well, I'm also working on a different strategy for a different pair, but I'm still working on that. I'm still developing that. So once I get that down, I will show you guys and I'll explain to y'all how it works. But right now, we're focused on this. And yeah, man, I'm excited for this week. First week in July, NFP week, so we gotta be careful with the trades. But you know, I'm excited. I'm excited to get back on the funded challenge and, you know, pass the funded challenge and start getting some payouts. You know. I'm glad a lot of stuff happened early on when I was losing a lot of trades and blowing funded accounts and just messing up on the markets. I'm glad it happened very early on, because now I know what I'm supposed to do. I have the discipline. I have the mental capacity now. I'm clear. I have the vision now. You know, I'm glad it happened very early on, because now I'm in a position where I know what to do. If, let's say this had happened like 2 years down the line, I don't know, I would be like, damn, what am I doing wrong? Like, what's happening? But you know, in the moment, it sucks. Yes, it doesn't feel good to lose, but that's one thing, you gotta accept losing, bro. Losing is a part of the game. So, yeah, I'm ready to apply everything that I learned throughout June. I learned so much throughout June, yo. I know I haven't been posting a lot, but I learned so much throughout June, and I'm ready to show y'all. I'm ready to show y'all what I learned. So, stay tuned for that. Stay focused, stay disciplined, stay consistent, and remember, the magic you are looking for is in the work you are avoiding. Y'all have a good one.